Welcome to Math with Market. Today we're gonna solve a really nice math problem from Plan Math Olympiad. So let's solve it. If you have x times x plus 2 times x plus 4 times x plus 6 equals 9, we want to find x, and we know that x is a real number. So for the first step, when we look at this equation, it's better to use a really nice substitution. I want to use t equals x plus 3. And if I use this substitution, what will happen? Instead of x, I should write t minus 3, and instead of x plus 2, I should write t minus 1. Instead of write x plus 4, we should write t plus 1, and instead of x plus 6, we should write t plus 3, and we know that that was equal 9. And let me give you a really nice point. If you, for example, you have a squared minus b squared, you can write it as a minus b times a plus b. Okay, for example, if you have again a minus b times a plus b, that's equal a squared minus b squared. You can use the both of them. So it means if you look at, for example, t minus 1 and t plus 1 and t plus 3 and t minus 3, you can write them as, for example, let me scroll down. For example, you can write t minus 3 times t plus 3 times t minus 1 times t plus 1, that's equal 9. And you can write it as I told you, a really nice point, and I wrote it with blue. We can write it as t squared minus 9 times t squared minus 1, that's equal 9. So we have to multiply these two sentences together. So let's do it. We have t to the power of 4 minus t squared, and if, for example, you multiply this one and this one, then like this, as you know, and minus 9 t squared plus 9, that's equal 9. And if we look at this one, we can cancel positive 9 from both sides, and we have t to the power of 4 minus 10 t squared, that's equal 0. And if I factor t squared, what will happen? I will have t squared minus 10, that's equal 0. So I think we are done, but let me finish it. It means that t is equal 0, and I told you t was equal x plus 3, and if t is equal 0, then x will be equal negative 3. This is our first answer. And the second one is, if t squared minus 10 is going to be equal 0, then t will be equal positive and negative square root of 10. And as I wrote it for you, t was equal x plus 3, and it means we have, let me write it, x1, x2 is equal square root of 10 minus 3, and x3 is equal negative square root of 10, minus 3, and it means we have 3 answers for this really nice math problems. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.